types of function. There are three types of function, that is one function, onto function and n2 function. Before we started types of function, let's know about what is a function. A function is binary relation from set 1 to another set B such that there is no repetition in domain and domain of the relation should be equal to set A. Okay, consider these two sets and take some relations, that is a function. We consider function from set A to set B. It is just a binary relation, that is R1 is a relation 1A 1B 1A 2B and 3C. Look at this relation. What the definition says, no repetition in domain. What is domain? Domain is the first element of every order pair. Here domain is 1, 2 and 3. And domain is equal to set A. Domain is 1, 2, 3. So domain is also equal to the first set. So the two conditions of a function are satisfied. So this relation R1 is a function. Take another one, R2 is equal to 1A, 2A and 3A. This is also a function because there is no repetition in domain and domain is equal to the first set. R3 2A 3B and 1C. This is also one type of function. Take another one, R4. We can write it as 1B 2C and 3C. These are just four relations from set A to set B, and these are function because it satisfied the two conditions of for a function. Now we can write this function as function R1 set A 1, 2 and 3. What is set B? Set B is A, B and C, and the function name is R1. 1 is, what is the image of 1? That is A. What is the image of 2? That is B. What is the image of 3? C, it is C. This one is R1, set A, set B. Next, R2 can be written as 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. One image is A, two images A, three images also A, and this one is our R2 from A to B. What is R3? R3 is 1, 2, 3, A, B and C, and two images A, three images B, and the one image is C. This one is our R3 from A to B. What is R4? 1, 2, 3, A, B and C. The image of 1 is B. The image of 2 is C. The image of 3 is also C. This one is our R4 function. Dear student, note that if we want to check either a relation is function or not, just look at the domain element. What the definition say? There is no repetition in domain. Look at here, 1 has only one image. There is no repetition of 1, no repetition of 2, no repetition of 3. 3 has only one image, 2 has only one image, and 1 has only one image. And the second condition is domain is equal to set A. Domain, look at the domain. Any element that has an image, so the element will be called domain. This is our domain, this is our domain, this is our domain. If 3 has no image on set B, then 3 cannot be called domain. 3 is in the set A, but it will be not in domain element. Okay, so the domain is 1, 2 and 3, and the set A also has 1, 2, 3. So this is a function. Now look at types of function. 1 function. Now if we want to check a function type, so we should look at the image set. 1 function. What type of function can be called 1 function? That type of function in which have distinct element has distinct images. Means every element should be distinct image. 1 has image which is distinct from 2, from 3. So all the 3 element has distinct images. It means that there is no repetition in range. For 1 function we can say that no repetition in range. What type of function can be called 1 function if there is no repetition in range? So look at the R1. There is no repetition in range. There is repetition in R2 because the image of 1 is also A, 2 also A, and 3 also A. There is repetition, so R2 is not 1. This is 1 function. Look at R3. There is no repetition in range. A, B and C has pre-images distinct. 1 has C, 2 has different element, 3 has different element. This is 1 function. Look at R4. This is not 1 function because there is repetition in the images, because C is image of 2 also of 3. So here we have only 1 function. Now look at the second one, onto function. A function is said to be onto if range is equal to set B. Range is equal to set B. Range is equal to set B. Now look at the function. In this function, range is A, B, C, and also set B has A, B, C element. So range is equal to set B. This function is also onto function. 1 and onto. So a function which is 1 and onto also called bijective function. In this function, you can see that range is equal to only A and set B has A, B, C element. Range is only A and set B has A, B and C element. So range is not equal to set B in this relation. So this is not onto function. Now look at the R3. A, B, C are in range and C3 has also A, B, C element. This is also onto function. So 1, 1 plus onto means bijective function. Okay, next one. This one is not onto function because there is the range set is not equal to set B. The range has containing B and C only, and A is not in range. A is in set B. Set B has A, B, C element, and range has only B and C element. Range is not equal to set B. So this is not onto function. Now next, another third type of function is into function. This is very simple. If range of the relation is not equal to set B, that type of function will called into function. Now here range in this relation, range is not equal to set B, so this function is called into function, and this function is called into function. At a time a function may be it must be onto or into, but at a time it can be 1 1 and onto. If a function is 1 1 and onto, that is called bijective, and if it is 1 1 and into, that is called surjective function. So a function at a time may be 1 1 plus onto, that will known be a bijective function, and this one is our function which is n2, and this is also n2 function. This is 1 1 and onto, that is bijective function. That's all about the type of function. Next time we will discuss some more types of function and some more things about the function. Thank you for watching this video.